We are the Garland ISD 5th grade children's chorus. Thank you for inviting us to be part of your Thanksgiving service this evening. Our first selection is a beautiful lyrical piece of music written in 1936 for unison singing. We are developing our skills as musicians, learning to use beautiful vowel shapes in this piece. Patch of the Moon by Eric Thiemann.